welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how I put together some of the items that I bought from the dollar store and some that I already had in my kitchen cabinet. It's a very easy and inexpensive way to make a fall decor for your home. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please subscribe. I make home decor videos and DIY videos. I love to have you here. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So what you're gonna need for these projects are 3 vases. I got these from my local dollar store. I chose them in 2 different sizes. Also, you're gonna need candlestick holders. I got these from Amazon. Also, you're gonna need E6000 glue, which is a heavy-duty glue, your hot glue, some wire and wire cutter, scissors, your choice of florals, ribbons, and of course my absolute favorite treat for Halloween, candy corns for decorations. This next step is optional. What I'm trying to do here is to glue these candlestick holders to the vases and make them look a little bit more fancy. You can skip this step if you don't find those candlestick holders, or if you don't have time to glue them and wait for the glue to dry. But I'm just gonna go ahead and use the E6000 to make a base for my vases and make them a little bit elevated. I want these vases to have different heights, so I'm gluing 2 candlestick holders for one of them and 1 for the remaining 2, so that I get the look of them having different heights. Once my glue dries, I start putting candy corns inside the vases. The 2 smaller vases I'm going to use as candle holders, and the larger one I'm going to use as a vase for my florals. As I'm putting the flowers inside, I just decided that I needed a smaller glass to put in the vase, so that once I put the flowers inside it, they stay secure and don't move as much. So I'm putting the candy corns around the glass inside the vase. I also got these spider stickers from dollar store. I thought it's gonna give a cute look to my decor as we're getting closer to the Halloween. So I attached some of them to my vases, and I start putting these flowers inside the glass. Final touch, I'm making a couple of bows and add them to my flowers. For the second project, I have chosen different shapes of vases and different shapes of candle holders. I am gluing the candle holders to the vases just to get a little bit of fancier look. This step is optional. Also, I'm going for a more symmetrical look. Once the glue is dried, I'll start putting the corn inside the vases. This must be the easiest decor ever because all I'm doing is putting these dried corns inside the vase, and that's pretty much it. Lastly, I decided to make a bow with a couple of neutral color ribbon that I already had.